Hey everyone, welcome to Black Culture Talks. If this is your first time here, I am Kim, aka Kim with the Gems, and today I am going to be trying Grenada's national dish for the first time ever.
So this is going to be a surprise for me as well. Let's see what Grenadian oil down is all about. So I'm still on quarantine, can't really leave the premises, but it's nice to stay someplace where you meet the best people who are just willing to make you feel at home. I love this island so far. I'm trying to open up the to-go. So Amika, who works here at Mount Cinnamon, said she knows the best place for oil down. And for those who don't know, oil down is a native dish to Grenada. Most Caribbean islands have, something that they consider their stew, a one-pot dish. And oil down is that for Grenada. And so super excited, kind of scared at the same time. She went into town where supposedly they make some of the best oil down. And here it is. Now, for sure, the only thing that I know that is in here is callaloo, banana dumpling. I believe yam is supposed to be here. And the authentic way to make it is with pigtail. I don't know if that's a pigtail right here that I'm looking at. It looks more like a dumpling. I know they do different size dumplings, but I will be on the lookout for the pigtail because I will not be consuming it. Not for any other reason than, I've never had pigtail before and I do not want to try pigtail in a foreign place. But oh my gosh, that looks so, so, so good. Yesterday, I had to try their KFC because people just talk about how good the KFC is, and I don't like KFC in the States. My family knows that. I can't eat it. Makes me sick. But last night, oh my gosh, it must be something in the chicken or the skin or something in the States, but the KFC here was really good. So I am going to try this. I'm going to turn the camera around and try this, but I need to wash my hands and get the fork and stuff, and I'll be back.
Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks.
So let me say grace. So the interesting thing is the ministry is here to do my PCR test. So I wanted to do this while it was kind of hot. I don't know how long the PCR test is going to take, so let's see. Okay. That was some callaloo. Again, I'm on the lookout. Oh, this must be chicken. This looks like chicken. I taste the curry, the turmeric. Got some type of starch potato, and I believe, I don't know what this is. You know what? I'm gonna have to come back so I could take you guys through each piece that I'm trying. But so far, so good. Tastes very reminiscent. That was too much fat from the chicken. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, let me go take my PCR test. And I'll be back. Very, very good, very starchy, very hearty. I'm excited to try this. Be back.
So come along with me as I get tested to get cleared to leave the resort.
To take this PCR test. I don't know if they let you record, but I'm going to try to record so you guys can see what it's like.
By the way, if you are looking to visit the island of Grenada, I highly recommend Mount Cinnamon Resort. There is so much to do. The grounds are beautiful. A great place to stay.
Hi. Yes, it's Kim. Okay, thank you. Am I different? Or you can go for it. It's totally up to you. Feel free. Feel free.
How are you today?
I'm well. How are you?
Good. We couldn't come very early because we had lots of persons, so we.
No, I'm sure. I get it. I get it.
That's
You're doing
okay.
the whole island, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How many do you do average a
Maybe
day?
70.
How many?
70.
Oh, that's not bad.
70 plus.
17 or
Especially on a
7?
Saturday.
Oh, I thought you said 17. 70.
not
Yeah, that's a lot.
Plus.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, this is solution that is typically.
Oh, okay.
We're doing two swab, one in the nose and one in the mouth.
Oops. One in the nose and one in the mouth. Okay. Let me know when
The nose first.
you're ready for me to pull it down. Okay.
We'll give it back.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, it is excellent. The mouth now, please.
Okay, that tickled. Okay. What do I do? Just open my mouth wide?
Yes, and say ah.
Ah.
Keep saying ah, almost done. Very good. Very good.
That's the first time I had it done in my throat.
So after quarantine, you could take out dip in the pool.
Yeah, I mean, they're letting people get in the pool now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not. I've been to the beach, though. I'll go to the beach. Uh-oh.
That's enough.
And so you call the hotel and let them, how does it work?
Yeah.
Okay.
Call a hotel
Uh-huh.
and
Now back to the live taste test.
So back to the oil down. Found out that this is breadfruit. Delicious. Lots of breadfruit, wow. And pigtail. I think that's the pigtail. I won't be eating those two things. But let's see what else they got. Oh, the sauce is way down here. Oh, there's 3 pigtail. Reminds me of the inside of a roti. Callaloo is so good. This looks like a tail too. Where's the chicken? Oh, thank you so much. Hopefully this is it.
Yeah, everything just happens sometimes.
I appreciate it. I have a question for you.
Yes.
Is this pigtail? This is oiled down, right?
Yeah.
Is this pigtail?
No, this is pigtail, the meat itself.
Okay, so what is this?
Dumplings.
This is done. It has.
Yeah, this is.
Oh,
flour
it does.
with flour.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then the piece on the end there.
That's the pigtail.
That's the pigtail.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I thought all of this was pigtail. Okay, and all of this is breadfruit right here.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. All right.
Nice, very good.
Okay, thank you. I was all wrong, y'all. The little pieces are pigtail. Get out of here, pigtail. But these long pieces is dumpling. Oh. Want to see inside? It's the flour. Steamed in the one pot. I'm definitely gonna try to make this when I get home. I'm not gonna make y'all watch me eat all of this, but you can see I'm eating. Okay, I am eating, looking crazy, but it's all good. Being natural. One more look at the breadfruit and the, excuse me, the oil down with the breadfruit and the dumplings. This is not for the carb conscious. It is not for the carb conscious. Not. Oh, here's the chicken. One more look at the chicken. Tasty, y'all.
I also had one of the best chicken rotis ever while staying at the Mount Cinnamon Resort in Grenada. Oh my gosh. Here it is with a little bit more light for you to see, but my gosh, mwah, spectacular. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you know when I post more travel content. Take care.